Hey, what's up, Wix Nation? Welcome back to a new video here on the Wix Training Academy channel. My name is Sarah Michaels, and I will be your hostess for today's video, where I will be giving you a sneak peek on one of the new features that Wix has released here in the last couple of months, which is the proposal feature. So I'm very excited to show you this and see what your thoughts are, and also if you have already been using this or implementing it, if you have access to it. So if you have not yet already, please go ahead, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when a new video drops here on the Wix Training Academy channel, where we are giving you all of the tips, tricks, and tweaks to be able to generate more leads and sales with your Wix website. So let's dive in here for today. So first of all, I know that this feature is not yet, as far as I understand, it's not yet available to everyone. So I'm curious, is this feature available to you yet? Are you using it? What are your thoughts so far? And if you don't have it yet, is this something that you're excited about? So the proposal feature, I know if you are a service-based provider like myself, this is absolutely an awesome feature, because prior to this, you might have been creating proposals in other places and, having to do all of that stuff, and depending on where you were creating your proposals. And so it's just really nice to see all of the ways that Wix is just constantly bringing all of these features into one place so that you truly have it all at your fingertips in one spot. So if you are looking at using this, now the way that I found this is, number one, when you're back in your dashboard here, one of the things that you'll notice is whenever there's new features being released on Wix, if you click on this little megaphone button here, now it should be on your dashboard, but when you click on that, it will always tell you what some of the latest features are. So this one right here was just released on March 8th, as you can see, and it is one of the newest features on here. So I've already kind of been testing this out and playing with it, and wanted to give you just a look at what this does and what it looks like. So if it is available to you, you should be able to search for it here if you type in proposals. I know from what I read, it said it's not available to everyone yet, but hopefully that it will be available soon. And if it is available to you, it should be underneath of the client billing tab. Also, I would check the finances tab. Okay, so this is the proposals overview. Okay, so underneath of the client billing tab here is where I found mine. Okay, so when we go to proposals, you can see that they have all of these different templates available. So let's just go ahead and click on preview. This is an e-commerce site proposal. So as you can see, this is something that you are able to send out and accept payments through. And the really nice thing about this is I'm hoping, now I did not see that there were automations, like you weren't yet able to tie in the proposals to the automations or the workflow. So I'm hoping that that's a feature that will be coming, or unless I missed that. But the really cool thing is, so it's already right in here, and they're just able to click on this all right from your site. So you can send this proposal to a contact, they can accept it, you can break it down, go over the next steps, the legal terms. I'm just absolutely blown away by how amazing this is, because as soon as they click on accept, this is where they will then be able to sign it. Okay, and it will, it'll trigger that for you, and you'll be able to send the invoice, and you'll be able to see the proposal, and it's all going to be in one spot, which is so nice. So they've got a bunch of different templates here. They've got the Wix website proposal, a web design proposal. For those of you who are SEO people, there's an SEO one, basic one. So you can always customize this to your own needs, by the way. So you can say, let's say branding package proposal. You can then go ahead and select a client's name. I think it's going to pop up with some random people. Enter the client's business name, and then you can just create the proposal. It's so simple, super cool. So let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so it'll say basic proposal and it'll insert this already. So when you're selecting the client's name, this will automatically go, right? So this, look at how simple this is. I like this one. I'm a big fan of just the basic and the very minimal one. So as you can see, that's what this looks like. And once they click on accept, again, they're going to be able to sign it, pay it, and hopefully that is where the automations will come in. So for example, if you are working with the workflows and automations, and if you did not yet see it in the last video, we touched on, it should be underneath of the WTF What the Funnel series, but there was just it's like a 15-minute workflow overview. So if you're not yet using workflow and automations, we kind of went over that and how you can really set up your workflow so that when a new client is coming on board, and they're like, okay, I just signed the proposal. Great. Now you want to send, you want to have this sent out to them, send them the welcome email, and really structure this workflow out and have the proposals be part of that. So this is a really incredible feature that Wix has come out with. I'm excited to hear from you to see what your thoughts are on it, if you're loving it, if there's features that you're wishing it had. We'd love to hear from you down below. So thanks so much for tuning in to today's video, which was just a new feature or new Wix website feature spotlight. Thank you for tuning in. So if you enjoyed this content or you'd like to see more of the spotlight on different features, please go ahead and let us know down below. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified when a new video drops. And just a heads up, speaking of SEO proposals, the next mini series that we're going to do here on the channel will be going over the myths about SEO, how to optimize your Wix website, and what I've personally done on my own sites and my client sites to get them listed on the front page of Google. So we're going to be chatting about some different SEO tactics that I've personally used to be able to generate leads and sales through SEO. So I'm very excited to bring that to you. So stick around and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in.